Spring in Japan is known for the blooming of cherry blossoms. Cherry blossom viewing, or hanami, is a traditional Japanese celebration of this beautiful sight. Cherry blossoms usually bloom from the end of March to the beginning of April. The blooming period is only for a very short 1 to 2 weeks. Because of the short blooming period, cherry blossoms are thought to be a symbolic of the concept that nothing is permanent. People traditionally hold outdoor hanami parties under the cherry blossoms, enjoying food and drink with friends and family. For Japanese people, cherry blossoms are a defining symbol of the spring season.